In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove color background in Video Editor. If you're working with product photos, presenter clips, or any media that has a solid color backdrop, this quick workflow will help you isolate your subject so it sits cleanly on any scene or layout. First, log into InVideo. Use the official website or desktop app, and make sure your internet connection is stable so your assets and tools load correctly. Keep your browser or app updated for the smoothest experience, since background removal relies on features that perform best on the latest version. Once you're in, open your project. From the dashboard, select the project you want to edit so you land on the timeline and canvas. It's a good idea to give the editor a second to load all your media, especially if your project includes large video files. When the project is open, you'll see your canvas in the center, your media library and tools around it, and the timeline below. Next, click on the image or video you want to edit. This selects the exact layer you'll be modifying. You'll notice the selection gets a highlight on the canvas and in the timeline. If you're working with multiple layers stacked together, double-check you've selected the correct one so the change applies to that specific clip or image. For best results, choose media with a clean, solid color background. Green screens, blue screens, or a single color wall with good lighting make the removal more precise. Now click on Remove Background. You'll typically find this option in the editing panel when the layer is selected. When you click it, InVideo analyzes the selected media and removes the background, leaving your subject on a transparent layer. You may see a brief processing indicator. That's normal. After it's done, look closely at edges like hair, hands, or fast-moving parts of the clip. If your subject was well lit and stands out from the background, the cutout should look clean and natural. A high contrast backdrop, minimal motion blur, and sharp focus all help the tool perform at its best. That's the whole process. Log into InVideo, open your project, click the image or video you want to edit, and click Remove Background. From here, you can position your subject over new scenes, graphics, or text with a professional, polished look. Take a moment to preview your timeline to ensure everything blends the way you intended, and you're ready to keep creating.